Hey, second grade. This is Mrs. DeMontney. I would like you to get out your workbook. Look at page 14, which is the vocabulary. Make sure you put your name on this. Now, this one, watch the video all the way through. And then once you've done that, go back, watch the video, make sure you pause it so you can write the words in. The first thing I'm going to do with this story is I'm going to read all the way through so we kind of know what's the big idea of the story is, and then we'll work on putting the words in. So I'm just going to use blank where we need to fill in a word. I want to be the first blank to fly to the moon. I will fly blank in my spaceship. The ship will blank very fast in space. I will blank on the moon. I will use blank to walk in space. I want to blank on another planet someday. The blank looks very small from space. Okay, what are our words that we have to fill into this story? Everywhere, live, machines, move, woman, work, and world. Okay, let's look at our first sentence. I want to be the first blank to fly to the moon. What would make sense here? Everywhere, live, machines, move, woman, work, or world. Well, there's only one word that makes sense. I want to be the first woman to fly to the moon. So cross that off carefully. Write it on the line. Remember, pause the video so you can do this. Reread your sentence to make sure it makes sense. I want to be the first woman to fly to the moon. Let's move on. I will fly blank in my spaceship. I will fly world in... No, that doesn't make sense. How about I will fly everywhere? Put a line through everywhere. Carefully write it on the line. My ship will blink very fast in space. My ship will work very fast in space? Maybe. My ship will move very fast in space. That's a better choice. So sometimes this isn't about what word is correct because both of these words could work. It's which is the better choice. My ship will move very fast in space. Number 4, I will blank on the moon. Ooh, I could see 2 words that could work. I will live on the moon, I will work on the moon. And I'm not sure which one makes the most sense. So I'm going to go on. I will use blank to walk in space. I will use, well, can you walk in space by yourself? No, you can't. There's no gravity and there's no air. So you need machines. So cross off the word machines and write machines in on the blank. I want to blank on another planet someday. Well, live and work both make sense, but live is the best choice. So I'm going to cross off live and write it in. Now I can go back to number 4. I will work on the moon. Then finally, the blank looks very small from space. We only have one word left, and that's world. So let's get that in there. Remember, if you need time to write, please pause the video, write your word, and then come back.